Dear students, good morning to all. Today let's learn on drug that is prepared from the lac. L-A-C, lac. Lac means milk. That is today we can learn about lac caninum. That is prepared from dog's milk. Common name of lac caninum is dog's milk and its brewer is Swan. Side affinity is left. But here in case of lac caninum, the symptoms begins from left side and goes to right and again sets back to left side. You notice such as symptoms in lachesis. Then here the sphere of action is upon mind, throat, female genital organs. And the keynote symptom of lac caninum is erratic nature of pains, alternating side. Erratic means changeability. Here from side to side is the key symptoms of lac caninum. Then coming to the guiding symptoms of lac caninum, first point is erratic nature of symptoms, that is symptoms changing from side to side. Here from left to right, again to left. The erratic nature, that is the changeability of nature of symptoms is seen in Pulsatilla, Calibi, Epis, Phytolacca, etc. Then mind, forgetful, absent-minded, chronic blue condition means depressed state of mind, that is lacks of interest in anything. These are the guiding symptoms that we can notice in mind. Then delusion of snakes. Such symptoms are studied in lachesis. Again seen in Argentiniticum, Belladonna, Calcareous, etc. Then regarding coryza, one nostril is stuffed up, but other is free and discharging. Again the changeability is noticed in case of nostrils also. That is the other nostril then become stuffed and the first nostril become free and discharging. Then regarding diphtheria, there is the diphtheritic deposit have a shining glazed appearance. You have studied so many diphtheritic deposit in Lycopodium, Lachesis, Phytolacca, Bromium, etc. Here in lac caninum, the deposit have a shining glazed appearance like that of a porcelain, white as of a porcelain nature. And again regarding the sore throat and cough, it begin and end with menses. But notice this symptom in Coniamac, Calica, etc. Then coming to the MAME, this is a remedy for mastitis. The symptom is similar to bryonia, that is breast inflamed, painful, musk hole when going upwards and downwards. You have studied in bryonia. Then palpitation, especially lying on left side, and better when turning to right, seen in Spigelia 2. These are the guiding symptoms. Key point is erratic nature of symptom, forgetful and absent-mindedness, chronic blue condition, the delusion of snakes, coryza, one nostril stuffed up, other free and discharging. Then changeability of the nostril of the side is also noted. Diphtheria shining glazed appearance of the diphtheritic deposit is the key point. Then sore throat and a cough, which begins and ends with menses. Regarding mastitis, similar to bryonia, that is much inflamed, much painful, must hold the breast when going upwards and downwards. And for the palpitation, aggravation lying on left side and better when turning to right side. Then coming to the mind, patient is very much forgetful, absent-minded, makes purchases and walks away without them. This similar symptoms is seen in Anacardium, Magnus, Causticum and Natramor. And while writing also, the patient uses too many words or not the right one. Similarly, omits final letter or letters in a word. This shows the absent-mindedness nature of the lac caninum person. That is much forgetful and much absent-minded. Then the patient cannot concentrate the mind to study or read and is very nervous, similar to Bovista, Gramphitis, Lachesis, Natranca and Sepia. Again the patient is despondent, hopeless, thinks her disease is incurable, has not a friend living, nothing worth living for could weep at any moment. Patient is very much despondent in nature. That is chronic blue condition. Everything seems so dark that it can grow no darker. That much depressed mind is seen in lac canina with lack of interest in anything. And also there is delusion of snakes. And the patient is very much cross, irritable. Child anangilo, it screams all the time, especially at the night, like jalapa, nux, sornam. And also here there is so many fears are prominent. That is fear to be alone. That is seen in Kalika. Fear of dying, seen as Aconite. Again, fear of becoming insane, seen in Lilientech. Then fear of falling downstairs, seen in Borax, Camomilla, etc. That much fear is very much prominent in lac canina. Again, attacks of rage, cursing and swearing, seen in Anacardium. At slightest provocation, again seen in Lilientic and nitric acid. Intense ugliness, hateful. And the symptom is when walking seems to be walking on air. When lying does not seem to touch the bed. These are the important mental features of lac canina. First, forgetful, absent-minded, then cannot concentrate, patient is very much despondent, chronic blue condition, vision of snake, cross irritable crying nature of child, especially night. So many fears are there. Then like anacardium, cursing, swearing nature, and special sensations as if he seems to be walking on air, or when lying does not seems to touch the bed. Then coming to the regional nose, there is coryza with discharge of thick white mucus, and these are very much acrid. So the nose and upper lip become raw. This symptoms is seen in Aliencepa, Aran trifilum, etc. Corners of the mouth cracked. Again, bones of nose sore to pressure. One's nostril stuffed up, the other free and discharging. And also these conditions alternate. Then coming to the throat symptom, which is important for your exam. Diphtheria and tonsillitis. The key point is change of side, from side to side. Symptoms change repeatedly from side to side. Diphtheria and tonsillitis. Again, sore throat and cough, apt to begin and end with menses. For yellow or white patches in throat with pain shooting to ear, similar to phytolacca. Again, throat is very sensitive to touch externally, similar to lachesis, and is aggravated by empty swallowing. Same symptom is seen in ignitia. Then there is constant inclination to swallow and much painful, almost impossible, and pain extends to ears and begins from left side, similar to lachesis. So the throat is very sensitive, pain extends to ears, begins from left and goes to right. And also there is shining, glazed appearance of the diphthetic deposit. That is pearly white or pure white porcelain look. You have studied so many other diphthetic deposit also. Here the diphthetic deposit has a shining glazed appearance and pearly white or pure like white porcelain with stiffness of neck and tongue, burning raw sensation of throat, and also tickling sensation in throat which causes cough. So the throat symptoms, diphtheria, tonsillitis, the changeable nature of sides has to be remembered. Then sore throat and cough, that begins and ends with menses. Then the appearance of the throat, the appearance of the diphthetic deposit, stiffness, then burning, tickling sensation, and very sensitive nature of throat. Pain, nature of pain and extension. You have to remember it. Very much important is its side and changeable nature. Then next regarding female symptoms. First about menses. It is too early, too profuse, and flows in gushes. And the nature of blood is bright red, viscid, stringy. This stringy nature of blood is you have learned in so many other drugs too. Kali Behar stringy nature, hydrastis, iris, crocus. In case of crocus, the natural blood is again dark. So here, menses too early, too profuse, flow in gushes, bright red, viscid, stringy, and during menses, the breast is painful, swollen, sensitive. Before and during menses. This symptom is seen in Conium, Calica, etc. Again, the discharge of for discharge of flatus per vagina, that is called as physometra. Lacanenum is an important remedy for physometra too. This physometra is again seen in Bromium, Lycopodium, Nux mosquita, Sanguinaria. Again, it is a remedy for mastitis. Here, the breast is inflamed, painful, aggravated by least jar. Pain is aggravated by least jar and towards evening. So the patient has to hold them firmly when going up or downstairs. That much painful is the breast. Then again, lacanenum is given to dry up the milk. Also given to loss of milk in nursing women without any non-cause for loss of milk. Then again, it is a remedy for sexual organs easily get excited from touch, pressure on walking or friction by walking, etc. That sensitive nature is seen in Platina too. These are the female symptoms. First, menses, profuse early, gushous ആയിരിക്കും, bright red, viscid, stringy. Then during menses, the nature of the breast, that is painful ആയിരിക്കും, swollen, sensitive, seen in similar to Conium calica. Physometra remedy again for mastitis, then to dry up the milk, then also given to bring back the milk in case of nursing females who had loss of milk without any non-cause, then also for highly sensitive sexual organs. Then coming to the cardiovascular system, given for palpitation, that is palpitation violent when lying on left side and is ameliorated when turning to right. This similar symptom is you are learned in Spigelia also. Again on tabacum also there is the similar symptom, palpitation. Then coming to the respiratory symptom, it is a remedy given for if the patient since breath would leave her when lying down, lying aggravation. So patient has to get up and walk. The same symptom you are studied in Lachesis, Granitilia, ammoniaca. The patient loses breath if he lie down. So has to get up and walk. Then coming to the GIT, patient is very hungry, cannot eat enough to satisfy. So hungry after eating as before. The same symptom is seen in Sina, Calcaria, Lycopodium, Strontium. Patient is very much hungry and as hungry after eating as before. Then also there is singing at epigastrium with faintness in stomach. Then coming to the back, this is a remedy for backache. Here the pain is intense, unbearable across suprasacral region, extended to right natus, right sciatic nerve. Listen, lacanenum is a left-sided remedy and the complaints go from left to right. But in case of backache with right-sided sciatica is noted. And the pain is aggravated by rest and on fast moving, that is similar to Rustox. And the spine aches from base of the brain to causes. Very sensitive to touch or pressure. So you have to remember the right-sided nature of sciatica in case of lacanenum, even though lacanenum is a left-sided remedy and having the changeability nature of symptoms from left to right and again to left. Then coming to the modality, general modality aggravation morning on day and evening on next day. Here also the changeability is noted and is ameliorated by cold drinks. Rest and lying down. Rest and lying down. Here there is an differential modality, that is in case of respiratory syndrome, patient cannot lie down. Patient has to get up and walk. Then other milk remedies. Here you have already learned one milk remedy, that is lac defloratum. That is a remedy from skim milk. The other lacs are the medicine from cat milk, that is lac felinum. From cow's milk, that is lac vaccinum. From curd, that is vaccinum coagulatum. From cream, lactix vaccinae floc. These are the other remedies prepared from lac. Then we can compare lac caninum with other remedies. First on mind, mental symptoms for forgetfulness and weakness of memory. First considering anacardium. In anacardium, there is sudden loss of memory. Patient is very much troubled, confused, and these symptoms are always noticed more on morning hours. And in case of Baraita carb, child is mentally and physically weak. Memory also deficient. Child cannot be taught, for it cannot remember anything. Mental and physical dwarfism is noticed in case of Baraita carb. As for natrum for scalarium, etc., the weakness is more pronounced after sexual excesses. In case of Asifor, there is much weakness, indifference also. Natrum for GAT symptoms, especially acidity predominates. And in case of cannabis indica, here the weakness of the memory is pronounced. The patient begins a sentence but forgets what he intends to speak. So the patient has to stop while speaking in case of cannabis indica. While in case of Madorinum, there is weakness of memory and the patient has to ask the name of most intimate friend. That much weakness of memory is not. And also forgets even his own name or words or initial letters, etc. etc. And in Glonoin also there is weakness of memory and much confusion is noticed. That is, patient cannot tell where he is, forgets well-known streets, number and location of his house. These are the important remedies for compare. Then comparing diphtheria, first lacus is similar to lac caninum. That is, here also the complaint starts from left and go to right and the symptoms are aggravated by hot. But the diphthetic deposits have a dark black, bluish purple color. Then Phytolacca, the diphthetic deposits have an ash color and the complaints are aggravated by hot fluids and much burning is there and the pain radiated to ear. Pain radiating to ear, lac caninum also present. Then coming to Lycopodium, here the right side, the side is more towards right and complaints go from right to left. Here the forces have a brownish red color and the cold drinks aggravate the symptoms. In case of Sabandilla, in diphtheria, there is a sensation of skin hanging loosely in the throat and can swallow warm food more easily. And like lac caninum, the complaints go from left to right. In case of Mercurius, membrane thick gray, thread-like borders adherent or free. While in case of Bromium, the membrane forms in the pharynx, beginning in bronchi, trachea, larynx and extend upwards. Membrane extends upwards is a more prominent in case of Bromium. Then if you have any doubts, you can message me to my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.